Hey everyone, I'm Tyler Bryson, Microsoft's Corporate Vice President for our US One Commercial Partner team. And today I'm excited to host a 3-question sessions with one of our best partners. In order to unlock all the business potential and benefits of the cloud, new business agility, new routes to market, new and differentiated customer experiences, our partners have to clearly and accurately define a digital transformation journey for every customer from start to finish. Today, Jim Olson, Cognizant's Microsoft Business Group leader, joins me to discuss why early planning and resources can make all the difference. Welcome, Jim.
Thanks, Tyler. Glad to be here.
So, Jim, at this point, we know that customers are ready to modernize, and most understand that the cloud is really a critical first step for growth and being able to respond to the massive change that they're seeing. So many businesses are still held back by legacy infrastructure and even kind of traditional operating models. Just getting going on the road to digital transformation can be paralyzing for some of our customers. What would you say to get to a customer that is maybe a little bit overwhelmed by all these options and just wants to know how to get started?
Great question. I mean, keeping up with, all the change, technical change, and otherwise over this last, 15 to 18 months has been a challenge for everybody. I think as we work with customers so frequently on, beginning their journey or continuing their journey to the cloud, it's starting with business goals. First and foremost, it's almost like imagining your business success and working backward from there.
I love that. No, it's not a journey for technology's sake. It's clearly a moment of where does this take our business? And the pandemic has really given us this moment to reset and move quickly. So I understand, though, Jim, Cognizant has a service for this. Can you tell us a little bit more about Go?
Yeah, we've got a fun little name for our approach to bringing customers to the cloud and helping them thrive in the cloud. It's called our Go digital operating model, and it really allows us to meet clients where they're at on their cloud journey. Again, some are, pretty far along and trying to figure out how to rationalize their estate and their investments in the cloud, and others are still just getting started. And Go is really a framework that walks customers through a series of complex questions and decisions about what they're trying to achieve, and ultimately helps them focus on business outcomes and getting to a point where they can even imagine business model innovation. As you say, Tyler, it's not cloud for cloud's sake. Cloud is a means to an end.
Wow, what a great resource and a service to help our customers get going in a repeatable way. I assume this is something that's worked many, many times, and customers can have the confidence for that. Jim, get a little more specific, though, if you don't mind. What are the specific Microsoft Cloud products and services that are a part of the Go experience?
Sure. I mean, first of all, the Cognizant Microsoft Business Group, provides quite a breadth of capability. We're a cloud solution and managed services provider. We really think about it in 3 categories. First and foremost, it's really about business advisory, thinking with our customers about what they're trying to achieve, innovation, change management, and that's all grouped in what we call our intelligent enterprise practice area. More specifically, when we talk about the underpinnings of enabling, worker productivity around identity, endpoint, and teamwork, these are the things that we group in what's called intelligent workplace. So intelligent enterprise, intelligent workplace, and then of course there's intelligent cloud, which is our grouping of things in platform, applications, data. These are the things that, really, I think, again, take the cloud capability and turn it into something that's very business relevant. And Cognizant is so industry focused, and we for years and years have served clients by industry. And as these workloads that are migrating to the cloud start becoming more complex, more entangled, they're actually business applications. And so understanding business applications and how they can become modernized and even innovated around in order to capitalize on the industry that our clients operate in, is a really crucial way in which we, partner with our customers around our Go digital operating model.
Wow, there it was, 3 questions with Jim. Really exciting to see that we have a partner like this helping customers in mass to make this transition and thrive. I love that word, thrive. So Jim, thank you for joining us today. I look forward to seeing you at our virtual Inspire in July. To learn more about Cognizant's digital operating model, Go, and ways you can better provide planning and infrastructure to your customers, visit our US Partner Community blog. Thanks, everyone.
Thanks, Tyler.